What's up, guys? It's Titus back with another video. Today we'll be talking about how you can invest as a teenager under the age of 18. If you guys don't know, let's start with number one. First thing you need to do is open up a checking account or a savings account, somewhere to put your money first. You can get your parent to open you an account if you're under the age of 18. You should have one open if you have a job or are doing any type of work. You should already have a bank account with direct deposit or something like that. Number one, open a checking account. And number two, the second thing that you have to do is figure out why you want to invest. Why do I want to invest? So like for me, I want to invest because I know that's a great opportunity to make gains on my money. And either investing in a single company, an index fund, or anything like to do with like trading, investing in the stock market, and things like that. So I would recommend starting off, if you don't know anything about investing, you're brand new to this, you just found out about it today, I recommend index funds. Index funds are basically like a group package of companies in one, like the SP 500. You buy that, and then all the top 500 companies, you make dividends from that. And they have all kind of different type of index funds. So if you want to find out more about that, I could do another video about that. I will, most likely. But Google is your best friend. Google and YouTube are your best friend. So if you do that, you should be set. So index funds, if you're just starting off. If you've been in the game for a while and you know what you're doing, you believe in the businesses that you've invested in or that you're trying to invest in, then stick with that. And remember, this is not financial advice. This is not a financial advisor. I'm just some person on YouTube trying to entertain people, you know? Okay, number three. How can I invest as a teen? So if, like I said, if you're under the age of 18, get a parent to open a custodial account. A custodial account is where your parent goes to the broker, they sign up with them, and then they sign you under their name. So you most likely won't be able to access the account directly, but you can still have an account. And then when you turn 18, you'll be able to transfer the account to you. And all the funds that you put into it, you ask your parents to put into the account, it will transfer towards you. So you have all your stocks, the index funds that you invested in when you hit 18. So a custodial account is a great thing to start because you get a head start above other people who are just finding out in their like late 40s, 30s. Like, it's a great start. It's great that you're searching up, doing videos like how to invest, and you landed on my video. That's great. So open a custodial account with your parent. Ask your parent, go to them, can you open up an account with this and that, blah, blah. Can you sign up for them, put me under you, and then you can invest. And the best thing to open up first is number 4, a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA, excuse my handwriting, it's kind of bad, but a Roth IRA is basically like if you don't know it's like a savings plan almost. So when you put your money in, it's taxed when you put it in. But when you hit 59.5 or basically 60 years old, you take all the money out tax free. So you don't have to pay no taxes on that money that you put in a Roth IRA. But one thing that I do have to find out is if when you put your stocks in there and you close out your stocks or sell your stocks, if the profit, you can take it out when you hit 60 tax free. Because you can do a little finesse to try to maximize your money in the market. So Roth IRA is great. You can make, as long as you invest at least around, so the max you can invest into this is $6,000. $6,000. That's the max a year. So if you invest, at least 100 every month, 12 months, that's $1,200 every year. You're going to maximize. You're gonna be a millionaire by 60 basically. If you do that every year, you're gonna be a millionaire. Cause I don't remember what it's called, but I'll pull it up for you guys. I'll put it down in the description or the chat box or whatever to comprehend on that and unpack it for you guys. So Roth IRA, open it now. That's the best thing you can do. If you do that, that would be the best thing. You set your life up. You'd be glad you did. Roth IRA. So now that we got all this out the way, number one, open a checking account. Find a bank or anybody that has low fees. You don't have to pay any fees, not as many fees. Don't have interest rates, huge interest rates. And yeah, open an account with them. Ask your parent, because if you are watching this video, you're clearly a minor. And ask your parent to open the account for you. Number two, why do you want to invest? Is it because you seen like the GameStop craze? You seen people with the AMC craze going to the moon? Yeah, that's good. That's good that you're looking into it. But don't hop on the trend, because that can also lose you a lot of money. Make sure you do your research on all the investments and index funds that you invest in, because you can lose a lot of money just as much as you can make a lot of money. Number three, like I said, how you can invest as a team. You go to your parent, ask them to open you a brokerage account with either Fidelity, I don't know that many, but there's Webull, M1 Finance. There's a lot of different places that you can go to open a brokerage account. They also have Robinhood, but Robinhood's kind of not the place you want to go to right now, because they're dealing with some court issues, very deep stuff. So you don't want to go to Robinhood. But if you want to, I'm not against it. But number four, Roth IRA. If you want to you're gonna guarantee be a millionaire by 60 if you invest in this every year. Every year. Pay at least $1,200 every year. You'll be good to go. But if you have like more than this and you max this one out and you have enough to attempt to max another one out, you can open another Roth IRA account. But I wouldn't recommend if you're just starting out, because it's gonna be kind of like trying to balance one and make sure the other one keep up. But just stick with one for then. And that's all, pretty much, guys. So I just glanced over it. Open a checking account. Figure out why you want to invest. How can you invest? Ask your parents to open you a custodial account. Do that. Roth IRA is the best thing to go into, especially if you're a young kid. It's great. And also do your research. Everything I could be telling you is like you may not know, you've never heard of it. So make sure you do your research a little bit in more depth. Don't a lot of people don't want to do the research. Just do your research and you find everything you need to know. So make sure you guys like, comment, and sub. I'm gonna make a Discord for us so we can like communicate. If you guys want to communicate on what you're investing, this and that, like it's gonna be free. Like everybody's just gonna be in there helping each other out. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think or how you feel about the stock market, what stocks you like, and everything like that. So I hope you guys liked the video and learned a lot. Titus out, man.